Welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Matt, and we have two little kittens. These guys are probably about 1 week old. Their eyes are not open. They were found out in the Texas heat with no mama and no other kittens, and it's about 100 degrees out here, so they would probably not have survived a whole lot longer if someone wouldn't have picked them up. Unfortunately, we don't have enough money to take care of these guys, so we're just going to go ahead and let them back outside and let them fend for themselves.
Wait, Dr. Matt, you just got some mail.
Oh, we got mail? Let me check that mail out real quick. Hey, Dr. Matt, my name is Brady Kovac from Delaware. I'm 12 years old, almost 13, and I'm a frequent watcher of both Demolition Ranch and Vet Ranch. I love your videos a lot and hope you continue them. I also wanted to send some money for your business. I really hope you read this in a video because it would make my day. I love what you do and hope to see more videos soon. Continue on back. Sincerely, a big fan, Brady Kovac. P.S. I have 3 dogs and I am an animal lover as well. Smiley face. Thanks, Brady. Let's see how much money he sent us. Hope it's enough. $5. That's totally enough to buy formula and bottles so we don't have to put these kittens out on the street. So Brady, you just saved these 2 kittens. We are trying to get him a nurse right now. He's doing pretty good. So there's nothing really wrong with these cats. We're just going to raise them up until they're ready to go be adopted. Right now they're going to need a lot of attention, probably feeding every couple hours for a little while. And I'm going to take them home with me tonight and take care of them, and we'll let you come along for the ride. It is 7 in the morning and these kitties are hungry. They're ready for some food. It's been about a week since we first showed them. Their eyes are open now. They are going everywhere. They're getting big too. This little tabby's a girl and the black one's a boy. They're much better at eating than they were a week ago. You like that kitty?
Yeah. Same kittens from before?
Yeah.
You look like you want to get down. Now.
Science Diet hooked us up with these boxes of canned food. We had one more too, but the kittens have put a pretty good dent in it so far. This is salmon flavored and they're loving it. So we appreciate Science Diet for helping us out. Science Diet is a brand of food that I use for my personal animals, and we use it for the Vet Ranch animals. So it's one that I've used a long time and I trust. They put good ingredients in their food. Kitty! They put good ingredients in the food, it's backed by research, and it makes for healthy pets. and healthy pets are happy pets. So we appreciate Science Diet for supporting Vet Ranch and helping us do what we do here. Thank you for everyone else who watches our channel and helps support us both in your donations to our nonprofit and just in your views and sharing our stuff. We really appreciate it. So thanks for watching Vet Ranch. You have cat food in your mouth. He's eating cat food.
Lincoln likes it too.
So even babies like cat food. But thanks for watching Vet Ranch. Thanks for watching this crazy channel that we're putting on apparently. And we'll see you next time. This is impossible.